Hello everyone. I am going to present Mia. She's going to show you guys something, okay? So what are you going to do, baby doll?
Cake.
You going to make a cake? Okay, so tell me all about what cake are you making and how are you going to make it? Okay? So what type of cake is that? Chocolate cake, yes.
Now mix it.
We're going to mix it. Mm-hmm.
Just oil, eggs, with water.
Water, yes. Oil and eggs are the things that we need.
What is that?
Oh, my love, that is to control the temperature. That is for here, you see? But we don't have the knob. We have the one that we press the button that says the temperature, okay?
The temperature now.
Yeah, the temperature means that if it's hot or it's cold. That's temperature. You understand?
Cold and
Hot, that's temperature, yeah.
hot.
Yeah, but over here we will need a hot temperature to cook it.
Oh, yeah, cut it.
Yay! You wanna pour it in there?
Yeah.
Okay, pour it in there. Okay, you can do it. Oh my goodness, go ahead. Don't be scared. Good job. So what are you doing?
Make sure you.
Okay, come on, today, not tomorrow. Do it all of it, baby doll. Like this, look. Ta-da! Woohoo! Uh-oh, easy. Oh my goodness. You see what happened?
My panties.
You pants.
Go away. Can you clean this towel?
I know. Don't worry, I'll change you later, baby doll. Don't worry about that. Okay, so what else? You already starting, silly? Okay, so you want to get some water. How much water they want, okay? Tell me how many water. Okay, 1.25 cup. 1.25 cup. Okay, so here. 1.25 cup. Okay, so we're going to get the water.
Not enough in there.
Oh, that's too much.
Not enough.
No, that's good now.
Oh,
Okay, there is the water. You want to dump it in there? Yay! Woohoo! Okay. Now what else is asked for? How much oil? So it wants 1/3 cup of oil.
Big oil. Big oil.
The big oil?
Yes. Look at the bubble. It's a bubble.
You got a bubble there? It's okay, don't worry. Okay. Can you hold this?
Okay.
Hold it good, okay?
Okay.
Be strong.
Okay.
Because we're going to put the oil in there, okay? We're going to put 1/3 of a cup of oil. Okay, you can put it in there now. Good job. Wait. Okay. Let it go. And now, what else is asking in there?
Put this water.
Okay, we already put the water. Oh, the eggs. Yes, it's time for the eggs. Okay.
Eggs?
Okay.
Wait. Eggs, the one.
Okay. So, oh my God, this is going to be the challenge because
Crack it.
we have to crack the egg. Exactly, baby doll. Exactly. We have to.
Yeah, put one.
Okay, so we have to put 3 eggs, really. But hold on. Let me see if I can put the phone down so I can help you crack the eggs, okay? Oh my goodness. It's tricky. Okay. This way, we're going to crack the egg. You see?
Whoa.
1.
I want to do it.
You want to crack the egg?
Yes.
You don't want to get messy with eggs.
Oh.
2. And what is this one?
3.
3. Ahora en español. 1. Huevos. Yes, huevos. Good job.
Mira, un lado. Mira, así la cieguita. Mira, bubble.
You have bubble?
Yeah, I got a bubble.
Yes. Okay, so you ready to do some stirring?
Look, I put
Okay.
white good.
Okay. You're doing good job, baby doll. Good job. Yes, all over like this. Look, all over, all over. Yes. Hold it good. All over, all over. You gotta mix it good. All over. Yes. Good job. Good job. It's going to shake the house? No, baby doll, it will not shake the house. Come on, you gotta move it, move it, move it, move it. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Good job. Teamwork. Teamwork, baby doll. Look at you. You're smarty, huh? You are a smarty fan, huh? Good job, baby doll. Okay, I think it's good. Okie dokie. We are done. You want to taste it?
Okay. Yes, it's good chocolate.
It's chocolate?
Yes.
Is it good?
Yes.
How good is it?
It's
Describe it to me.
very
What does it feel like? What is it taste good? Did it taste like what? What does it taste like that? It's cold. Okay, that's good. Good description. Okay, what else? Tell me more. Don't know?
no one more.
You don't want more.
I want to get sick.
You don't want to get sick. Oh, look at you, huh? Okay, next step will be what?
What is
We need, just leave it there. It's okay. Okay, so we're going to pour it in these thingies, right? So we can cook it, right?
I want to eat them.
I know, we have to cook it before you eat it, though. Okay, hold on. Let me put the oven at 350.
Flexy on
350
What is this?
degrees.
What is this?
Yeah, we are heating it while we
I
are...
put it. I take it.
You want to take it?
Yes.
Okay, hold on.
Nobody know that. You ready, Mama? You ready to store it on this cupcake?
Mm-hmm.
The cake is all ready now. The cupcake. You're not gonna make. Here's the cake.
Okay, put it in there so that we can do the cupcake like this. Look. Look.
Wait. I want to try this.
You wanna try to do it?
Yes.
Okay. Don't make a mess though. Look how Mama did it. Okay. Don't make a mess. Put it in one of those little holes in there. Don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. Good job, baby doll. Not bad. Okay, we need a little bit more in there. Right there. Okay, the other side now. This other one.
Okay.
Yeah, but you need to put more in there, baby doll. More. You need to put more in there. Put the spoon needs to get more on there. Yeah, like
too
that.
heavy.
Yes, dig it in like that. Yes.
Heavy.
It's too heavy. Okay, good job. Oh my God. That's enough. The other side now. Okay. Get more and put in the other holes there.
Yeah, well, wait. Good. Oh, this is the water cupcake and a cupcake.
Yes, my love, I know. Okay, don't make too much of a mess.
We'll make again.
What do you mean go make up again? We're not making nothing again.
It's just like.
Okay. Okay, let's do the other side now. This side. Okay, this other one. Okay, that's enough, that's enough, that's enough. No más, no más.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Come on, more. Come on, quick, quick, quick.
Oh, no, sweet. It's so sweet.
It's so sweet. Okay,
Yeah.
that's enough, that's enough. The other side now.
So you two faces so silly.
So silly?
It's your face is silly. Huh?
Oh, come on, Mia. It's just taking too long.
Too long. I'm playing. Wait.
Yeah, you want to play and I want to... Hold on. Let me do it. Let me do it really quick.
I put it. I take it. Wait, I want to take it off now.
Be careful. Don't put it in the... Be careful. Don't get it in there. Ay, Mia, you like to have those watches on and then you are taking it out when you should not take it. It's so crazy. Where did you do the Apple Watch? Where did you left it? Huh? Where did you left the Apple Watch?
I will watch it charge.
It's charged?
It's charged.
No, it's not charged. You never charge it. Where did you put it?
I charge. Oh, look, it make a mess.
Yes, you're making a mess.
Oh, yeah, it's so sweet. It's so sweet. Cookie, yeah, make cupcake. Yeah, next year make cake. Yeah, make cupcake. Make cupcake.
Yes, you're making cupcakes.
Okay, now try this one. I try.
No, you already try. I need to get it going. You know, the oven is ready. You want to count them? You want to count? How many is there? How many did I fill up?
Okay.
No, this is one. Look, one. Now what? This is number what? Two. Good job. Two. Okay. Now this one is number what? This one is number what?
2.
3. Yeah.
I'll try this pen.
Okay. And this is number?
I want to try it. Oh, wait. It's just shaking that house. Yeah, that's in there. Getting us in chocolate. Well, you're shaking that. Stop it and make it. There.
Can you hold it?
Okay.
Yeah, hold it. Yeah. So it doesn't move when Mama trying to get it.
Look at it. Whoa, it's very sweet. It's so delicious.
It's so delicious.
I want to try it. This one.
Hold on, I'm almost done, okay? And then you can dig on that thing. Give me a minute. Give me a minute, baby doll.
Look at this.
Yeah. And you know what, baby doll? You are so mean to Mama because you decide to make a chocolate cupcake when your Mama is in a darn diet. It's not fair. She wants some chocolate cupcakes. Okay, so Mama is doing chocolate cupcakes for her. So when can you say no, right? She's a kiddo. She gets those sweet tooth, huh? But She has a special power. Okay, so say thank you for watching, everybody. It's okay, I'll clean you.
Clean my ouchie.
Yeah, I'll clean you out. Don't worry. Okay, say thank you for watching.
Bye. Hey,